We'll guide you through how to push code to GitHub from VS Code using Terminal. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's hand over to Pauser.
Open your browser and go to github.com. Make sure you are signed in into your account. And once that you are logged in, the first thing that you need to do is create a new repository. Just go ahead and click on Create Repository and give your repository a name. I'm just going to name it GuideRealm. And you can also go ahead and add a description. And now you can choose the visibility also. For example, I'm just going to set it to public. And then once that you have done that, just go ahead and click on Create a Repository. And once that your repository is created, GitHub will show you a URL. And as you can see, this is the particular URL that I'm talking about. And you will need this later. Now we need to make sure Git is installed on our computer. If you don't already have it, just go ahead and open a new tab and search for Git download. Just go ahead and click on Git install for Windows and just click here to download. After that, just go ahead and run your installer by just clicking on the exe file. After that, just go ahead and follow the setup prompt. Just go ahead and read the license and click on next. You can also select your file location. So I'm just gonna set it to local disk D. Click on next. Click on install. And once that you have done that, just go ahead and click on finish. And now just go ahead and open your Visual Studio Code. And now just click on the three dot at the top and open your terminal and open a new terminal just like so. Now before we start using Git commands, we need to make sure Git is working properly in the terminal. So just go ahead and type git space -- and version and hit enter. And if it shows this particular error, it means Git is not added to your system environment variable. If that happens, here's how to fix it. First, locate where Git is installed on your computer. So it is usually installed in local disk C, but as I have selected local disk D, I'm just gonna go ahead and locate it. And once you are inside the Git folder, just go ahead and open the command folder just like so. And just click on your address bar and press Ctrl C to copy it. And once that you have done that, just go to your Windows search bar and search for environment variable. And just go ahead and edit the system environment variable. And from here, just click on environment variable. And you will see option labeled as path. Just select the path and click on edit and click on new. And just press Ctrl V to paste your path and click on OK. Click on OK and click on OK. And once that you have done that, just go ahead and close your VS Code. And after that, just go ahead and reopen your VS Code by searching for VS Code. Now, after restarting your Visual Studio Code, just go ahead and open your terminal once again. And now, just go ahead and type the following command. The first thing that we need to do is initialize Git in your project folder. Just go ahead and type git space init and hit enter. And once that you have done that, this will create a new Git repository in your project. Next, add all your files. Just go ahead and type git space add space full stop and hit enter. Once you have done that, create your first commit. Just type git space commit space -m space double quotation and type initial space commit. And close it with the double quotation once again and hit enter. And if Git asks for your name and email, you need to set it using these following command that I'm going to put it on the screen. And once you have done that, we need to connect your project to GitHub by copying your repository URL. Just go ahead and open your browser and copy your repository URL and go to VS Code and just go ahead and type the following command. Just go ahead and type git space remote space add space origin space and just paste in your repository URL by pressing Ctrl V on your keyboard and hit enter. And once that you have done that, finally push your code to GitHub using git space push space origin space master and hit enter. Sometimes if prompted, sign in your browser and authorize GitHub. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on sign in in your browser and just go ahead and authorize Git ecosystem. And once that the authentication is successful, refresh your Git repository and you will see your file will be successfully updated. And as you can see, this is the particular file that we have pushed from VS Code to GitHub using terminal. And that's it. That's how you push code from Visual Studio Code to GitHub using the terminal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.